Lea Michele berterima kasih kepada produksi Glee kerana terus memberikan semangat kepadanya selepas kehilangan kekasih yang juga bintang seni musikal itu, Cory Monteith. Malah Michele bangkit dengan mengeluarkan album solo berjudul Louder. Aktris ini bersyukur kerana dikelilingi rakan-rakan dan pasukan yang tidak putus memberikan semangat. Musim kelima Glee diteruskan tanpa Monteith yang meninggal dunia pada Julai 2013. Monteith dikenali menerusi watak Finn Hudson dalam siri tersebut.
I can still see his face and I can hear his voice so clearly.
You know, I have to say I owe so much to the cast and crew of Glee. In all honesty, I made a toast last night at our wrap, and everyone, like all my cast members, Amber was like, "Girl, you are not making another speech." I was like, I have to just make a quick speech. But I owe so much. You know, loss is a horrendous thing, and if it wasn't for their constant support and every day going to work and knowing that I had this safety net underneath me has gotten me to where I am right now. So I'm beyond grateful for Glee.
Aktris berusia 27 tahun itu turut melebarkan sayap dengan album sulung yang berjaya menduduki nombor 4 carta album Billboard 200. Malah ia berada di tangga 10 teratas di Australia, Kanada, Itali, New Zealand dan Norway. Michele juga terlibat dengan beberapa projek lain termasuk menyumbangkan suara untuk filem animasi The Wizard of Oz, Dorothy's Return.
Put it all together till the job is done. This should be easy. It should be.
I know I'm on, Glee, and I'm doing funny girl stuff, which is like Barbra Streisand, and now I'm in this film, and it's a version of The Wizard of Oz, which is Judy Garland, and I'm like, oh my God, what am I thinking? Like, this is like, but it was such an honor. I grew up watching this film over and over and over and over again. It's really what made me fall in love with singing and music. So the minute I was approached with this project, I was like, please, I just have to do this, and it was such a wonderful experience.
Selain itu, buku tulisannya Brunette Ambition juga bakal dipasarkan. Dalam pada itu, seri musical Glee akan ditamatkan pada musim ke-6.